And the Grimm are everywhere. Hostile, slimy, foul-smelling creatures. But good luck!
Thanks. Wait, what?
I said good luck!
Whoa. Do you feel that?
What's that, lad?
Anything. Everything. It's warm.
One less feathery spy.
We can probably use this boat. If I can just get it free.
Careful, lad.
Yeah, don't stress out.
Ah! Ah! Why are these things so bad? Nista!
I didn't do that. Okay, kid, can you stop?
I see we're already off to a lively start.
Atreus, you dropped your guard.
I got the boat free, though. We can head through these channels when you're ready.
Mm-hmm. All right. I'm pushing boats again.
I still can't believe Mom led a whole rebellion here against Odin and never talked about it.
The fact that it didn't go well might have killed that notion.
What your mother did before we met was her business.
Did you ever ask?
Eyes on the water. There are resources.
If you never asked Mom about what she used to do, what did you talk about when you met? Like, did you just say, "Woman, guard the house. I will go to catch fish in the river," and then leave for 5 days?
No. Your mother was far better at fishing than I.